Alright guys, welcome back. You can see here that I've already added some, finished off the tapering of these lines, embellished a little bit here in the hand a little bit more. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to create the ridge line for the t-shirt up here. So we're going to unhide our image. So we're going to, at first we have to click in Illustrator, we're going to unhide our image. There it is. Let's go ahead and let's hide the shirt layer so we can draw this ridge line. So I'm just going to go ahead and just draw the line where I think it's going to be, because I'm going to have to modify a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and let that be there. Moving this guy in just a little bit more. Alright, let's take that fill off, and let's go ahead and let's unhide our graphic layer. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and we're going to start adjusting from here. So let's bring this guy in so we get rid of that. A couple of things to make this look a little bit better so it's not so blocky and bulky. We're going to taper it here in the middle. So we're going to cut the line and then taper it in the middle. So let's go ahead and let's just add a point here and add a point here, and let's just get rid of this point by getting the direct selection tool, selecting that point, and then just go ahead and delete. That's what we want. So let's go up to Object, Flatten Transparency, set to all the way to Vectors, and then there we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go in and modify these guys. So we got to get that one point selected. Alright, let's get rid of these guys because they make it a little funky. Alright. Cool. Let's get rid of that guy too. So I can't see what's going on there, so I'm going to have to reset. Oh, it's right there. Never mind. Okay, that guy's done. Let's go to the next one. Let's go ahead and move these guys in. Take out these 2 points. Alright, modify the bend here. Let's grab this point. Modify this handlebar. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and this distance here is too much, so I'm going to bring that down a little bit. So I'm going to zoom in even closer and just grab the shirt. Modify my bend like that. Bring this guy down. Bring that guy in. All those extra points, let's just go ahead and get rid of those. Okay. Alright, there we go. We got that guy set. So pretty much everything that's drawn, that needs to be drawn, has been drawn. There's a couple of things looking at this piece where that are kind of bugging me visually. Mainly these 2 wheels, how the lines kind of taper up as they're going back. When it comes to perspective, that's not right. So we're going to just modify those guys. We're just going to bring this top line down. Just a little bit right there. Bring this guy up here. Okay. We'll do the same thing here. Okay. And this guy up as well. Right about there. Not that. No. That's fine where it is. We'll leave it that. Okay. That's better. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start drawing some different things. We're going to start adding lots of shadows to this so he starts to get some more dimension. So first thing, before we get going too far, on him, we're going to just finish adding shape shadows. So where shapes overlap other shapes, we're going to create shadows. So let's go ahead and let's create the shadow for his arm, underneath his arm on the skateboard. So we're going to go draw our shape about like this, just kind of following the general form of this. Alright, we're going to just go up underneath because eventually we're going to put this piece behind it. Alright, let's go sample this shadow we made earlier. There it is, it's that. We're going to go up to Effect, up to Rasterize because we have to give it some pixel effects. So we're going to set it to 300 ppi. Then we're going to go up to Effect and we're going to go to Blur and set Gaussian Blur. I'm going to just blur this out so it's really soft. Okay,